Oh, what a long winter it's been, man. Oh, I got my doctor's papers back. Let's see what they say. Cabin fever and signs of schizophrenia, man. Oh, thanks, man. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Backstream Outdoors. I'm Johnny. Winter's finally over. The ice has melted. It's nice and sunny. About 70 degrees it's going to get up to today. And I am so excited to be back on the kayak. I'm just really ready to catch some fish, man. This water, is frigid. You see I got my old preserver. You know I don't wear it all the time. I should. But cold water like this, absolutely need a life preserver. Because you go in, it's gonna just absolutely shock you. You're not gonna be able to handle that cold there. And a lot of people end up going that way. So wear your life preserver. But we're gonna catch some fish. All right, first thing we're gonna try today, I'm not sure, I don't remember what these are called. Let me see the bag. With the Yum, it's not a tube. They labeled it wrong. I don't know what it's called, but it's this guy. This little tiny worm. I know a lot of guys use these for smallie. In this cold water, you want to use something a little smaller. These fish aren't after big baits most of the time, and they're going to be generally pretty deep. So I've got this hooked up to a drop shot, pretty big drop shot on there. But I just want to bounce this across the bottom. I'm going to go out where these fallen trees are. Basically like your crappie fishing, except I'm going to go all the way down the bottom. But we're just going to bounce that and see if it'll give us one. I've not tried them before, and I'm excited about it. All I'm doing is I'm letting it hit, and you're just doing little bounces, and then let it sit for a while. You don't want to do a ton of action right now. Like I said, that water's cold, fish are really sluggish. You know, ice has only been off for about a week now. I mean, it is very cold. Yeah, I've been out on the yak once. I went yesterday. Only caught a couple. I was really just getting my kayak set up, getting my cameras all situated. Got some new setups this year. I ended up with 2. And I've got a clicker. I'm at 7 for the year. I caught 4 through the ice actually here about a month and a half ago, which is really awesome. I don't catch a lot of bass through the ice, so that was really cool. Using a little vibey, if you guys know what that is. I think it's time to make a change. I'm going to try the jerkbait. It runs a little shallower than I would expect them to be at today. This only runs about 6 foot. But this is just about on the dot. The same day last year I caught that big fish. And I caught him on that jerkbait. So let's see if that produces something, because nothing else is working. Alright. So here's the jerkbait we're going to be using. It's got a nice bluish with a black and a white belly. A little yellow. Kind of mimics like a sunfish. Hopefully it gives us something, because nothing else is working. Yep, we figured them out, guys. That's 2 casts in a row. All right, about the same size, maybe a hair bigger. You need to go tell your grandpappy that I want to take a picture with him, okay? Can you do that for me? That's all I want. Another little one. They're in here. They are definitely in here. That's what we're after. Okay. There we go. stay on. He didn't get a real good hook in him, I don't think. He's little. All right, number 3. Oh man, you got all the hooks in you. No wonder you wasn't fighting. Sorry about that. Whoa, just chill. You're supposed to just relax here while I do this. There we go. About the same size, nothing crazy, 10-inch. Man, they're so cold, goodness. Little icicles. See you, buddy. Good deal. I would like a few more of those. Or one more big one would even be better. Another little guy. Hey, I'll take him. Man, you're so small. Sorry about the dog over there. Whoop, he's in the boat. Come here. I know. Tiny. He's the smallest one yet, I think. Just a little tiny fish. I'll take it. I'll catch him all day. I don't mind a bit. There we go. Here's like another small one. You tried to swipe at it, didn't you? And you missed. Nope, you got one hook in your mouth. That one's even smaller. Tiny little guy. Look how small he is. See you later. Tell Grandma about me. That's 5. Not bad, not bad. Another little guy. Just a dink. Oh, stop that. Ooh, that's cold. Another dink. Little tiny, like 8-inch bass. Oh, freaking 5-inch jerkbait. There he is. Another dink, but we'll take it. Come here, little guy. All righty. You're dangerous, sir. You're very dangerous. All right, another little guy, about the same size. Cold as the last one. Go on, buddy. Oh man, something shifted. I didn't like that. There's another one. We found him. Boy, he's smaller than the last one. I want you guys to get bigger, not smaller. Just a tiny little guy. He's so little. Look at this. I mean, sometimes big lures, man, I don't know why. They just love this thing. They don't care. It's almost as big as they are. Jeez, a little extra over there. That's a nicer fish, I feel like. Oh, he spit me out. Dang. That was a much nicer fish. That stinks. Sad face. Okay, we'll get another one. Oh, I thought that was Mr. Grandpa there for a second. Oop, just a snag. That's a nicer one. Can you chill for a moment? Well, you got a lot of energy. Come here. Okay. There's a nicer one. He's about a pound and a half, 2 pound. Probably, I'd say 13 inches. Something a little better. Got a little growth or something on him right there. Maybe some old damage by something. But, nice fish. That's what we come for. There's one. I'll watch them eat it. I'm back out of here real quick. Come here, buddy. Just chill. You're too excited for me to put you in the boat. Another dink. Look how little he is. Back in here. All right, guys. Well, I'll tell you what. It started out very slow, but here this last hour and a half, it is just lit up, man. Sometimes you just got to push through those hard hours and switch your lures out, figure out where they're at. They weren't where I expected today. I thought they'd be deep, and they were up in about 5 foot of water. So, as always, I'm Johnny. This is Backstream Outdoors, and we'll see you next time. God bless, guys. Bye. Woo! Oh, man. Oh, my God. Dude! I got him! I got him. I'm in him. Talking. What do you think? Can I deliver? Ah!